Good evening. Can you hear me?
Yes,
Alright. Okay. Last week we discussed the first paper of our first model paper. Now today we're going to discuss the second paper of it. Okay. මම ඒකේ screenshot එක දාන්නම්. First question එකේ. Can you see the first question? මම WhatsApp group එකකට දැම්මා ඒක. හරි. ඔයාලා කරන්න ගන්නකො මුලින්ම. Okay, what is the question? Saying a sum of 360,000 is obtained from a financial institution and at annual simple interest rate of 12% under the agreement of paying off loan within a period of 3 years. Okay. 3 years වලින් pay කරනවා කියලා තමයි කියන්නේ. Okay, now I am going to solving it. What is first one? What is the total interest that should be paid in 3 years? What is the loan amount? Interest equal to what is the capital multiplied by percentage of interest multiplied by time. Okay, what is the capital now? අපේ loan amount එකනේ capital එක. What is the 360,000 multiplied by what is the percentage?
12.
Yes, 12%. Okay, then time is the interest given in annual simplest interest. Okay, then මෙතන annual කියලා තියෙන හින්දා අපි මේ time එක substitute කරන්නේ what is the unit is? It's by years. Okay, if it's the interest given in the monthly ribbon time එක කොහොමද substitute කරන්නේ? It's by months. Okay, then you should multiply 3,600, 12 and 3. Okay, get the answer. 12 multiplied by 3 is 36. Can you get the answer? What is the answer? 0, 0, 6, 3, 21, 0, 0, 18, 1, 10, 0, 0, 6, 9, 2, 1. What is the answer is? ₹129,600. Okay, it's by rupees. Okay, second one asking if the installment are paid equally and monthly, find the monthly installment with the interest. Okay, then මොකද්ද කියන්නේ මේකේ? මෙයා දැන් interest එකයි අපේ loan amount එක ගෙවනවා, ඒ කියන්නේ loan එක ගෙවනවා installment විදිහට. Then loan and interest, okay, should be equally for the for as a installment. What is the installment ඒ කියන්නේ කොටස් විදියට අපි වාරික විදියට කියන්නේ. Installment should be, what is the loan amount is 360,000. plus 129,600 should be given, should be paid in how many months? කීයකින්ද ගෙවන්නේ? monthly installment විදිහටනේ ගෙවන්නේ. එතකොට months කීයද? 3 years. If it's 3 years, 36. Okay. Get the answer. Okay, how we simplify it? 360,000 adding 129,600. 00698 489,600. You have to divide by how much? Kiyenda bedanne? By 36. 136. How much remaining? Kiyak ituruda? Then how much 36 per 129? Kiyak tiyanawada? It's about 3. How much? 6 multiplied by 3, it's 8. 1 is remaining. 1 is remaining. 9. 9 plus 1 is how much? 108. Is it? 108 kilawada? 72 plus 36. It's 108. Then 121. 216. It's 360 භාග 180යිනේ. එහෙනම් ඒකට 36ක් add කරොත් then 216. It's 6. Then 216 0 0 0 0. What is the answer? 13,600 rupees. What is the installment? What is the installment is? 13,600 rupees. Okay. After you write in, if you finish the getting these two answer for these two, first and second, raise hand. පළවෙනි දෙකට answer එක අරන් ඉවරනවා. Sindhu, I finish. Okay, I think you are finished. Get the answer for the third and fourth one. What is the monthly income received if the loan amount is deposited in another institution at a monthly interest rate of 2%? Monthly interest again. Asking what is the monthly interest, monthly income received if the loan amount is deposited in another institution. Monthly income capital multiply करना interest percentage then in given the question given monthly interest rate 2%. Okay, what is the capital is අපේ capital එක කියන්නේ what is the 360,000 නේද අපි අර loan එක ගත්ත එක ගිහිල්ලා deposit කරනවා වෙන bank එකක හරි මොකක් හරි institution එක. Then multiply by percentage is how much? The percentage එක දන්නවා. You know the percentage. Then what is the monthly income? What is the monthly income? Aksha, here the monthly income එක දැන්. අපි monthly income එක හොයන්න capital එක multiply කරන්නේ monthly interest rate. Okay, monthly interest rate. Then what is that? 7,200.
7,000.
Yes. Fourth answer, fourth question. By the end of the loan period, what is the end of the loan period is? It's 36 months or 3 years. Will the income received from the deposit exceed the loan amount? Asking the question. Give reason for your answer. මොකද වෙන්නේ අපි ඩිපොසිට් කරපු එකෙන් හම්බෙන ඉන්කම් එක ලෝන් amount එක එක්සීඩ් කරනවද කියලා අහන්නේ. Okay, Then what is the monthly income from the deposition? What is the 7,200? How many months to how many months have to end of the loan period? It's 36 months. Okay. You have to multiply the first 7,200 by 36. බලන්න 36න් වැඩි කරලා එතකොට එයාගේ එනවා income. Deposition income. Deposition income. 7,200 multiplied by 36. Get the answer. Yes, Isindu answer is correct. Isindu, is it income, deposition income is exceeded the loan amount? Or not? Okay. Write down the reason. Yes, Tarul answer is correct. Tarul, is it exceed or not the loan amount? $259,200 කියලා එනවා answer එක. Okay. Then is it exceeded the loan amount? 360,000 is the loan amount, but income is 259,200. The asking, will income received from the deposit exceed the loan amount? Loan amount not exceed. Not exceed. Exceed income. Okay. After you finish, raise hand. Loan, not T. Loan. Aksha Sehansa, after you finish, raise hand. අක්ෂය ඉවරද? Okay. An incomplete table which gives value of y corresponding sum of x values of the function y equal x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 1 is indicated below. Graph question. Okay, මාත් ඔයාලත් එක්කම graph එක අඳිනවා. හරි ඔයාලා කරගෙන යන්න. Okay, did you fill the blank? Or blank එක fill කරාද? Blank එකට what is the answer? You thought blank එකට කීයද ආවේ? 0 ආවද? ඔයාලා substitute කරාද? x අපේ function එක තමයි x plus 2 multiply by x minus 1. Then we have to substitute the x by 1. x වලට 1 දාන්න. Then 1 plus 2 and 1 minus 1. Then 1 plus 2 is 3. Then 3 multiplied by 0 is, what is the answer is 0. Did you get the answer? ඒ answer එක ගත්තා. හරි. ඒ answer එක ගත්තා raise hand කරන්න බලන්න. Okay. හරි. එතකොට blank එක දෙන්නේ 0. හරි. දැන් අඳින්න ගන්න බලන්න. ඔයාලා graph sheet එකක් තියෙනවා නම් හොඳයි. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. හරි මම මේ වගේ sketch එකක් දාගත්තා -3 -4 -3 -2 -1 0 1 2 3 ඔය විදිහට sketch එකක් දාගත්තා x axis එක කොහොමද ඇඳ ගන්න ඕනේ කියලා. How we define the x axis. Okay, we can use the 10 small squares for the 1 unit. හරි එක unit එකකට අපිට small squares 10 ගන්න පුළුවන්. Okay. Then y-axis, maximum y-axis is 10. Minimum y-axis is -2. හරි. එතකොට මට බලන්න පුළුවන්. Then 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. 26ක් තියෙනවා. In the vertical way. There are 26 larger squares in the vertical way. Now I am getting it's 12 නේ. හරි. අපිට use කරන්න පුළුවන් 10 9 8 7 6 මම මේ ටික පෙන් එකෙන් අඳින්නම් මේ පෙන්සිල් එකේ මුලින්ම අරගන්නම් ඔයාලට පේන්නේ නැතුව ඇති 5 4 3 2 1 0. It's 0. -1 -2. Okay, can you see? Now I am drawing the x-axis. Okay, then -1 -2 minus 3, minus 4. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to mark up the x-axis and also y-axis here. It's y-axis. Now I am using to pen the mark it the axis. 10, 9, 8. Can you see my axes? Or pen on my axis figure. Pen on it. Okay. We did a better pen on the 0, minus 1, minus 2. And 1, 2, 3, 4. X-axis minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Can you see? Now can you plot the color pen on it? Axis දෙක පේනවා. හරිනේ? ඉනුරි සෙහන්ස තරුල් පේනවද? Axis දෙක.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we have to plot these coordinates in our graph. Then x is minus 4. Then y is minus 4 වෙනකොට කීයද වෙන්නේ? Y is 10 නේද? Is it? හරි මේ වගේ මම මාර්ක් එකක් දාගත්තා. When x is minus 3 වෙනකොට y එක කීයද? It's 4 නේද? Then next one is minus 2. Then y is 0. Then minus 1. Minus 1. It's minus 2. Okay, minus 2. Minus 2. Then 0 is 0 වලදී minus 2 වෙනවානේ. Okay. Then 1, when 1, how much? 1. When 1 is 0. Then 2 is 2 වෙනකොට it's 4. When 3 is, when x is 3 is 10. Okay. ඔයාලා ඇන්දාද? හරි මේ ටික මෙතෙන් දෙනකම් plot කරන ටික complete and raise hand කරන්න. If you finish the plotting the coordinates. Aksha, I finish. Where? අපි මේ ටික කොහොමද අඳගන්නේ බලමු. Now I am going to connect these points. Okay, you can see these points. Okay, මේ point එක පොඩ්ඩක් මෙතනදී පල්ලෙහාට යනවා. Okay, did you got the graph like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you send your graphs to the group? Group එකට එවන්න පුළුවන් මම බලන්න හරිද කියලා. graph එක ඇඳලා ඉවර නම් raise hand කරන්න බලන්න. If you finish the drawing the graph, raise hand. හරි. මම දැන් questions ටිකට ආයෙ යනවා. මේකේ මේ graph එකට ලකුණු හම්බෙන්නේ මම එකක් කියලා ඉන්නා. the අපි points ටික හරියට ලකුණු කර the correct points and calibrating. Calibrating වලට දෙනවා මේ axis ටික හරියට අපි calibrate කරලා. ඒ කියන්නේ මේ ප්‍රස්ථාරේ full sheet එකම use කරලා තියෙනවා අපිට mark එකක් හම්බ වෙනවා. හරි. ඊට පස්සේ curve එක හරියට ලකුණු කරලා තියෙනවට හම්බ වෙනවා. කොහොම තමයි ලකුණු 3 හම්බ වෙන්නේ. Okay, can you understand it? Next, we go into the questions. Okay, can you see the question? What is the අපිට suitable scale එකකට අදින්න වෙනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ අපි can you write the equation of the axis of symmetry of the graph? What is the symmetry? When you're in the grade 7 and 6, 8, you studied about symmetry. What is the symmetry? The right side and left side are equal. මේක බලන්න අපි graph එකට ආයෙ යමු. Can you see your graph? Left side and right side equal. වෙනව නේද? හරි. මෙන්න මේ මෙතනින් ගත්තොත් මෙන්න මේ line එක දිගේ. Can you see your graph is symmetric on one axis? Can you see? ඔයාලට පේනවා symmetric වෙනවා කියලා. මෙන්න මේ line එක දිගේ. Aksha, can you see the symmetric line, symmetric axis? Okay. Then may y axis එකට parallel, if the any straight line parallel to y, its equation is starting from x equal. So then this line goes to the minus half. හරි. ඍණ භාගය හරහා තමයි යන්නේ. Then its equal equation is x equal minus half. Okay. එහෙනම් කීයද? x සමානයි ඍණ භාගය හරහා තමයි යන්නේ. X equal minus half. If axis go through the go parallel to x axis. හරි. මම ඒක නිකන් කියන්නේ. අපි මොකක් හරි x axis එකට parallel line එක පටන් y, because the this axis, this symmetric line, every position මේ හැම position එකම බලන්න ඒ coordinate එක කීයද? What is the x coordinate? Is minus half. හරි, minus half තමයි මේ හැම point එකකදීම x coordinate එක වෙන්නේ. හරි. ඔක තමයි. හරි, write down the question number and it's B. Symmetric is y x minus half. What is the second question? Find the roots of the equation y equals 0. When y equals 0, what is the roots are? The second question B, part B, second question. Find the roots of the equation. අපි root දෙක කොහෙන්ද බලන්න? What is the how we find the root from root දෙක කොහොමද හොයන්නේ? How we find root? මෙන්න මේ y 0 වෙනකොට x, the points of crossing x. What are the point? X equal minus 2 and x equal plus 1. Right? What are the roots now? X equal minus 2 and x equal plus 1. Hoten දෙනකන් finish නම් raise hand කරන්න බලන්න. If you finish. හරි, මේ විදියට ඔයාලා උත්තර ටික ලියන්න ඔයාලගේ. Okay, write the range of value of x where x less than or equal 0. No, okay. Find the range of values of x where x, y less than or equal 0. Range එකක් ලියන්න කියනවා. Can you find out? Alright, I explain karna. Y. Can you see the y-axis here? Anyway, y-axis one. Y-axis if y-axis is less than or equal 0. Y values are less than or equal. Where the ranges? If y is less than 0 or equal. මොකද වෙන්නේ? මෙන්න මෙතනින් පල්ලෙහා ටිකේදී නේද? Can you see this? Where? If y less than or 0, what are the x coordinates? The x ranges should be if it's greater than -2, x greater than -2, and it less than or equal 1. -2 වලට වැඩිය වැඩි වෙන්න ඕනේ. අපි මේ පැත්තේ නම් -2 වලට වැඩි වෙන්න ඕනේ. It should be x should be less than what is 1 or equal. හරි. මෙන්න මේ range එක තමයි ලියා ගන්න ඕනේ. Can you write down it? What is the range? -2 හරි range එක හොයන තැනට එනකන් ඉවර නම් raise hand කරන්න බලන්න. අක්ෂා එදෙන range එක යන තැනට එනකන් ඉවරද? range එක හොයන තැනට යන. Inori, I finish. ඉවර ඇතිනේ. Then last C part asking what? C part asking. Can you get the answer? Write the equation of quadratic function y of which the roots of the equation y equals 0 are -1 and 3, and the coefficient of x square is equal to 1. Then could you find the අපේ මොකද්ද වෙන්න මේකේ roots මොකද උනේ? Roots are x equal -2 and x equal +1 the roots උනේ. එහෙනම් what should be the equation of -1 and +3? X equal -3, x equal then x minus 3, x plus 1. It should be the equation of the x minus 3, x plus 1. Okay, coefficient is x varga. X square coefficient again. X square coefficient is 1 because the multiplication is 1. Okay. Okay, can you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you finish, raise hand. Aksha, Inuri, Ishindu, after you finish, raise hand. Okay. Next question, third one. Price of guava fruit is greater than the price of an orange by 15 rupees. Price of 2 orange and guava fruit is 165 rupees. Construct a simultaneous question. Okay. You should use the X as pear and Y as orange. Can you construct a simultaneous question? Simultaneous equation. Till I finish. Can you tell me what is the greater value, X or Y? X the loku, Y the loku. What is? The price of a guava fruit is greater than the price of and orange. එතකොට x minus y equal to 15. It's first equation. ඔක තමයි එතකොට first equation. Price of 2 oranges and 1 guava. It's 2y plus x equal to 165. Okay, it's the second one. Can you simplify this equation? Okay, I'm using 2 minus 1. X plus 2y plus x minus y equal 165 minus 15. Okay, then 2y plus x minus x, then plus y, because minus it's plus. Then you can simplify. 3y equal to 150. Y is equal to 50. Okay, if x minus 50 from first equation, x minus 50 equal 15. X equal to 15 plus 50. X equal to 65. Okay. Okay. X here. How much x? X is equal to 65. Y is equal to 50. Pair orange. Okay, I finish. If you finish, raise hand. Third question. Sunil has 230 rupees. Find the number of each type fruit he can buy separately without leaving any balance. කියක් ගන්න පුළුවන්ද? You can take 2 pair and what? 2 pair and 2 65 multiplied by 2 plus 50 multiplied by 2. It's 230. 230 rupees. It's 2 pair equal to orange equal to. Okay. I think you finish it. You are at it. If you finish, raise hand. No. Okay. Do the second part. Second part again one. Can you do the second part? You should use the 3x square minus 4x minus 2 equal by using formula. What is the formula? Is finding the root. X equal minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay. That are the ax squared plus bxc, the formation of the equation. Then a, b, and c are the coefficients. C is a constant value. A and B are coefficient. දැන් මේ equation එකක් තියෙන්නේ අපේ formation එකට ax plus bx plus c ඔන්න ඔය type එකට තියෙන්නේ. You have to substitute the coefficient and constant to the formula. Can you substitute? A is equal to 3, B is equal to minus 4, C is equal to minus 2. Okay, x equal to minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4AC divided by 2A. Okay. Okay, minus minus it plus 4 minus 4 squared means it's 16 minus 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. 12 multiplied by minus 2 is it's minus 24. Then it's 6. Then x equal to plus 4 plus or minus 24 plus 20 power 16 and divide by 6. 40 divide by 6. Okay, you can get now plus 4 plus or minus 2. 2 we can take out to the 2. 4 multiplied by 10. If we take the 4 out to the root, it's 2. Okay, then 6. Then plus, we can divide by 2. Then plus or minus 10 divided by 3. Okay. Did you get the answer? Or got the answer?
Yes.
Okay. After the finished getting this root, find the value for the x. Take the square root of 10 as a 3.16. 3.16 කියලා අරගෙන plus ඒ කියන්නේ positive root එක හොයන්න කියලා තියෙනවා. We can take the positive root plus or minus positive root එක එන්නේ plus එකත් එක්ක plus 2 plus 3.16 divided by 3. 5.16 divided by 3. 1, 3, 21.7, 21, 0, 6, 2. X is equal to 1.72. Okay, did you got the answer? The answer is got that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. After you finish, raise hand. After you finish the writing, raise hand. Well, ඉවරනාට පස්සේ raise hand කරන්න. ඉසිඳු I finish. ඉසිඳු ඉවරද? Okay, we go into the next question, fourth one. Okay, can you simplify it? Okay, did you do the first one? X plus 1 squared plus 5x plus 1 plus 4. X plus 1 squared. What is this? If we expand it. What is the square of first term? First term is square. Then multiply the both terms. X multiplied by 1 is x and it's multiplied by 2. We 2 वලින් multiply plus 1. Then second term is square. 1 square is 1. Now 5x plus 5 plus 4. Okay. Simplify the like terms. එක ජාතිය සමජාතීය. You can simplify the like terms. Can you factorize 3x square plus 11x plus 10? How we? Then you should multiply the coefficient of the square terms. මේ square terms එකේ තියෙන coefficient එක 3 කියන එක multiply කරන්න 10 වලින්. 3 multiplied by 10. How much?
30.
Yes, 30. 30 අපිට ලියා ගන්න පුළුවන් multiples විදියට කොහොමද? multiple දෙකක් විදියට. අපිට ලියන්න පුළුවන් කොහොමද? 15 multiplied by 2 කියලා ලියන්න පුළුවන්. ආයි. තව කොහොමද ලියන්න පුළුවන් අපිට? 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 5. Okay. If we add in these two multiples, මේ multiple දෙක එකතු කරාම 11 එන්නත් ඕනේ. බලන්න 6 plus 5 is it 11? 6 plus 5 එතකොට ඒක 11 වෙනවා නේද? then අපි ඒක 11 කියන එක 6x and 5x කියලා we break into two terms. Okay. Now can you get what are the what we can take outside? It's 3x square. Also we can take 3x. Okay, x and plus 2. Then how we take what the term we can take out from the 5x and 10? කීයද ගන්න පුළුවන්?
5.
5. Then x plus 2. Right? Then next step, what are the common terms? Common terms එක මොකක්ද? 2x plus 2 කියන එක common term එකක් වෙනවා නේද මේ දෙකටම. මේ දෙකටම common නේ. ඒක අපි එළියට ගන්නවා. හරි. 3x plus 5 remaining in the another bracket. Okay. What is the factorize of 3x square plus 11x plus 10 equal to what? X plus 2 multiplied by 3x plus 5. Okay, did you got the answer? Or answer it ගත්තද?
Yes, sir.
Okay. After you finish the writing, raise hand for the A part A එක ඉවර. ඉසින්දු I finish ඉවරද? Okay. Now I am going to the part B. Part B එකට අපි යමු. Okay. Get the answer for the part B. අපි දැන් if we add in the two fractions, if we add in the two fractions, the denominator should be equal. අපි හරයන් සමාන ඒවා විතරයි අපිට එකතු කරන්න හරි අඩු කරන්න හරි පුළුවන්. ඕක බලන්න ඔය first simplify කියලා දෙන්නේ. ඕකේ බලන්න algebraic fractions දෙකක් තියෙන්නේ. It should be the denominator should be the equal. Denominator එක එකම වෙන්න ඕනේ. You have to get, I think it should be get the common denominator. I think time is enough for doing. What is 1 x plus 1 minus 2 over 3x minus 1. Okay, අපි common denominator එකක් ගමු. X plus 1, it should be multiplied by 3, and x minus 1. Okay, then we can multiply cross. හරි, මම මෙහෙම තේරෙන්නේ නැත්නම් මම අනික් විදියටත් කියලා දෙන්නම්. What is x plus 1 3x minus 1. Okay, නැත්නම් මෙහෙම කියනවා. අපි අතින් දාගන්න එක ඉස්සරහින් ලියාගමු. 3x minus 1. x plus 1. Then what is it's in the numerator is 1, but we add 3x minus 1 to the denominator. It should be balance the numerator and denominator. So we can divide the numerator and denominator. So we can get the 1 over x plus 1 in the first term. Okay. Next term, 3x minus 1 x plus 1. Okay. අපි x plus 1 එකක් අතින් දාගත්තා. හරි. ඒක remove කරගන්න ඕන නම් පුළුවන්. Okay. Then common denominator is, now we know 3x minus 1 x plus 1. 3 multiplied by x is 3x minus 3. Then 2x plus 2. Okay, what is the 3x minus 2x is x. Minus 3 minus 2, it's minus 5. 3x minus 1 x plus 1. Okay, this is the answer. Did you got the answer? The answer is ගත්තද? After you finish the writing, raise hand. Aksha Sehansa, after you finish, raise hand. Matrices මතකද? Can you remember the matrices? Can you these contain these details in a table? Okay. මම table එකක් ගන්නවා. ඔයාලා ඒ table එකට input කරන්න බලන්න. Can you input the data to the table? Okay. It rests is wood apple, belly. First parcel, second parcel. Can you contain it in a table? Okay. How many wood apples in first parcel? පළවෙනි පාර්සලේ wood apple කීයක් තියෙනවද? Is it 3? How many berry fruit in first parcel? It's 5. Second parcel එකේ wood apple 4 and berry fruit 4. Indicate this information by a matrix and write order of the what? Order of the matrix. Okay. Then we can write 3, 5, 4, 4 as in a matrix. Matrix order is order equal to row multiplied by column. How many columns, rows in? Make a rows කීයක් තියෙනවද? How many rows? මේකේ මේ අපේ matrix එකේ rows කීයක් තියෙනවද? How many rows? Rows? How many rows? කීයක් තියෙනවද? It's 2. Okay. දෙකයි column දෙකයි. Write down what is the order is 2 by 2. Okay. Write down it. After you finish, raise hand. After you finish, raise hand. Inori, Isindu, Nusa. Okay. Okay. Fifth one, the diagram shows a tree 4.5 meter tall and AB tall is 4.5 and tower located 5 meter away from the horizontal plane. The angle of elevation D is 42 degree. Copy the diagram included above. Calculate the height. Calculate the height. Okay, can you do it? ඔයාලට කරන්න පුළුවන්ද? Trigonometrics table use කරන්න කියනවා. AB is 4.5 meter tall. Then tower located away from AB 4.5 tower is 50 meter away. It's 42 degree. Copy the diagram and include the above information on it. Then if it's this is also 50 meter. මේ tower එක කියන්නේ මෙන්න මේක. Can you find out the tower? Tower height. Okay, what we can use the trigonometric sine, cos, or tan. We can use the sine 42. Sine 42 because the opposite side for the this triangle is අපි මේ ගත්තොත් මෙන්න මේ ටික නේද opposite side එක අපි ඒක x කියලා ගමු if it's x this is x ඔය උස x කියලා ගන්නවා then what is the adjacent is 50 adjacent is 50 okay the sine 42 equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side okay what is the sine 42 equal to sine 42 කියන එක කීයටද equal වෙන්නේ okay can you find the මම sine වල දාන්නම් sine 42 සයින් වල ටේබල් එකම ඉස්සරහම පෙන්නලා ඉන්නම් කොහොමද තියෙන්නේ කියලා ඔයාලට මතක නැත්නම් can you see the sine table now what is sine is here then this is the sine table then 42 how much it's sine 42 0.6691 42 6691 okay you can see 6691 x and x is equal to 0.6691 multiplied by 50 okay can you get the answer 0.6691 multiplied by 50 okay 0 0 0 0 0 okay then 5 45 4 3 33 then answer is 0.55 433 x is equal to 33.4550 okay calculate the height of the tower correctly to 2 decimal places if 2 decimal places 3.46 okay did you get the answer If you finish, raise hand. ඉවරනම් ඒක raise hand කරන්න. Isindu, Seansa, I finish. හරිනේ. Okay, following table represent the distance traveled by a moving object and time taken for it. Okay, time to draw the given axis, answer script, and draw the distance time graph to show the motion object. Okay, you have to draw it at 2:10 distance, at 4:20, at 6:30, likewise, then 8 at 50, 8 at 50, then 10 at 70, like this, 12 at 90. Show the speed of the object final 6 seconds is twice its speed initial. හරි මුල්ටිකේදී ස්පීඩ් එක වගේ දෙගුණයක් කියන්න කියනවා මේක ස්පීඩ් එක. හරි. How we do that? Okay. Okay. Then you have to get the gradient. Gradient of, what is the gradient? 30 minus 0 divided by 6 minus 0. It's 5. It's meters. ms minus 1. Okay, gradient of the second part, m equal to, it's 30 90 minus 30, and it's x 12 minus 6. 60 divided by 6 equal to 10 meters per second. Okay, now can you see the speed is twice of initial. Okay. After you finish, raise hand. Sorry. Iskindu, I finished. Okay. Can you do the other question at your home? I will discuss it in next week. Inuri, can you do? පුළුවන් ද ලබන සතිය කරන්න ඊටු ටික ගෙදරදී කරන්න? Sehansa, can you do? Okay.
Okay.
හරි. මම එන ඊටු ටික next week discuss කරනවා. ඔයාලා කරලා තියන්න. Okay. කරලා මට එවන්න. හරි. එහෙනම් do you have any question what we did today? මොනවද කරපු ඒ ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවද? නැතුව ඇතිනේ. හරි. I am stopping class for today. Okay. And good night.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Thank you, sir. Good night.